G'day guys, ADV Rider. Today we're heading to the old Chinese baths. Currently on the Carrara up track. I'm with Andy and Mark on their Royal Enfield Himalayans and Barry on his CF Moto 450 MT. Yeah, we're going to stop at Quartz Mountain on the way. Andy's been there before, but Barry and Mark haven't, so I'll show them that. That's a pretty cool spot. It's a little bit muddy out here. I went out to a concert in Ballarat last night. It's been a while since I've been to a live show. I saw Frenzal Rom. It was their 25th anniversary of their Man Is Not a Camel album. Oh, a couple of roos everywhere. Get them all up through here. Got they blend in. Oh, more roos. They're a bit smaller, these ones. Now there's a bit up here I always get confused on. Go on with this, I guess. Don't know if I'm quite where I should be, but we'll keep following it. I think the track's supposed to be off to my left, but I can't seem to get over there. More roos hopping along the fence line there. And where's my truck going? Truck disappeared. It's showing me. It's still showing me on a track. I'll just keep going that way. Over there. Try and get back onto a track. I seem to have lost it. Ooh, a couple of holes there. Still can't see it. Where is that track? A bit of fun. Got a bit lost. The wallaby. Oh, it looks greasy, doesn't it? Oh, another wallaby. There's another one coming. Come on, buddy. He's a bit slower, isn't he? No, gonna stay over that way. So that's Quartz Mountain to my left. That's it here. So we've got a nice big mine shaft right there. We'll go past that one and we'll go up to the top. Right, here we are, Quartz Mountain. Let's have a look. There we go, how's that for the mine shaft? Not going to see much, but she's straight down. Don't know how far that one goes. I'm trying to work out what the noise is. Barry's got his drone going. Look at the colour of this. You reckon we can climb up that? This side looks pretty good. Oh. The mountain range over there is probably the Voca Mountains, Mount Cole, one of them. Keep coming forward. Yeah, a bit more forward now.
Oh, the camera's pointing down.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah, I can see it now. You still got branches straight above you too. You have to come forward if you're going to go up. Yep, straight up. Yep, you're good. Quick look at these bikes. This is Andy's Himalayan. Not sure what year it is, that's the first of them anyway. This is Mark's, this is the new generation. There's my old girl. I think if take the other camera up there. Okay, next stop, Chinese bars. This one, I think. Oh, over there. There we go. That's it. Chinese bars. That's it. They even filled it up for us. I can have a tub. So you just want to go two in each or just take turns?
Oh, no.
Let's go. Andy's leading the way. Oh, we're heading somewhere. A distillery, I think it was. Old distillery. Look at that. Battery Dam Historic Site. They are cyanide vats. That's where all the vats would have been. Wonder who's living in those holes. Alright guys, I'm going to sign out here. It's been an awesome day out exploring. Found a few cool places, lots of good tracks. They're nice winter tracks, those ones. Yeah, they're good winter tracks those, not too muddy. They're just a little bit slick, but nothing to worry about. You go out Wombat and stuff like that this time of year and it's just mud. So yeah, good fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time.